A million views on YouTube Shorts pays about 10 to $100. That's it. Most people find that out the hard way. But some creators pull real money from the exact same views. How do they do that? Well, they stop treating Shorts as the product. They treat it as the bait. Let me show you how. Let's go. Here's a thing nobody tells beginners. Shorts ad money is terrible. The RPM, what you earn per 1,000 views, is around 1 to 7 cents. So a million views might pay you $10 to $70. You need 40 to 100 million views a month to make $5,000 from ads alone. Almost nobody hits that. And why is this so low? Well, because Shorts pay from a shared pool, and YouTube keeps a bigger cut than on long videos. It's just not built to make you rich on ads. So here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop seeing Shorts as your income. Start seeing them as the cheapest attention machine ever made. Shorts get views like crazy. Your job isn't to earn of those views directly. It's to point them at something that actually pays. That's what smart creators do. Let me show you the 3 things they point that traffic at. First smart move, and this is the way number 1, just use Shorts to feed long videos. Here's the key fact. Long form videos pay 10 to 50 times the RPM of Shorts. Same view, but on a 10-minute video is worth way more because you can run multiple ads in it. So the play is simple. Your Shorts are the hook. Your long videos are the payday. A short blows up, gets a million views, and a slice of those people click through to your 10-minute video on the same topic, and that long video pays real money per view. Now, think of it like a shop. The Shorts are the flashy sign on the street pulling people in. The long form is the store where they actually spend. Most people only build the sign. The winners build the store behind it. So when you make a short, don't let the viewer just scroll away. Make a longer version of that topic, pin it, and point to it. Turn cheap Shorts views into expensive long-form views. That one move can multiply your income without a single extra viewer. So that is the first shift. The next one pays even more. Now the second move, and this is where the big money hides, affiliate marketing. Now here's a real number that'll reframe everything. One tech creator made $10 from ads on a video. From the exact same video, he made $1,200 in affiliate sales. That's not something I made up. In some niches, affiliates pay over 100 times what ads do. How it works? Well, you recommend a product in your short. You put your affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. Someone buys and you get a cut. You're no longer earning pennies per view. You're earning real dollars per buyer. But here's the part that matters. It only works if your niche and product match. A finance short linking to a budgeting app converts. A random funny clip linking to nothing earns nothing. So pick a niche where people are looking to buy tech tools, finance apps, fitness gear, software. Then every short becomes a tiny salesperson working for you. And the best niches for this is AI tools, finance, and software, because those products often pay recurring commissions. That's really good. You get paid every month the customer stays from one video you posted once. That's the closest thing to passive income in this whole game. And this is the piece most beginners skip completely. They chase views and ignore the thing that pays 100 times more. Don't beat them. And once you've got an audience trusting your picks, there's an even bigger layer, your own product later on. Of course, that's going to be down the road. But a simple guide, a template, a mini course tied to your niche, education channels with a product funnel pull anywhere from 1,000 to 50,000 a month from that alone. You don't need it on day one, of course. Nobody can do that. But know it's the ceiling you're building toward. Now, a third move you should do, and it's a choice before you actually post anything. Your niche sets your ceiling, and here's the gap most people don't know. An entertainment or a gaming channel earns about 1 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. A finance or tech channel earns 10 to 45 cents. It's same views, but up to 10 times the money, just from the topic. Why is that the case? Well, advertisers pay more to reach people with money and buying intent. A finance audience is worth a fortune to banks and apps. A random meme audience, well, not so much. So choose on purpose. High RPM niches, finance, tech, AI, business, real estate, and niche down hard. Not finance, just like try something like budgeting for new parents. Not tech, try AI tools for small businesses. Specific niches have less competition and they've got better buyers. One more free tip, your audience country matters too. Views from the US, UK, and Canada pay far more than views from low ad markets. So make content those audiences search for. It's the same effort, but much bigger checks. Now, all three of these, they need one thing, and it is consistent volume. You can't funnel, sell, or grow if you post one short a week. And that's the wall most people hit. Making shorts by hand is slow. Scripting, finding visuals, voiceover, captions, editing, hours per video. This is where a tool like revid.ai comes in. It's built to make faceless shorts fast. I'm not affiliating with it. I don't care if you're going to use it or not. This is just something that I used, and it works. You just give it an idea or a script, and it'll generate the video. Visuals, AI voiceover, captions, the whole thing. What took you hours takes minutes now. And why that matters for money, not just speed. Well, volume is the game. More shorts mean more chances on hits, more traffic into your funnel, more affiliate links if you're going to go with that. And, it's really good. A tool like this lets one person run a channel that used to need a whole team. You can even batch a week of content in one sitting. But one honest note, the tool makes the video. It doesn't make it good. You still bring the niche, you still bring the hook and the strategy. AI handles the grunt work so you can focus on the part that actually earns. Just use it as a speed multiplier, not a brain replacement, all right? And here's a free multiplier on top. Once you made a short, don't just post it on YouTube. Drop the same video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook. You've got the same file, but you've got 4 platforms, 4 shots at going viral for 0 extra work. You are definitely going viral with this if you use all the platforms available to you. Most people make the video once and they just post it once. That's just leaving free reach on the table. Now, I'm going to be straight with you like always. Shorts ad money alone will not change your life. If you're only watching your RPM, you've already lost. That's the trap. The real formula is this: high RPM niche, consistent volume, using AI to move fast, and every view pointed at something that actually pays. A long video, an affiliate link, or your own product. Stack those, and a channel that made pennies on ads suddenly makes real money. It's still work. It still takes months. Most people quit before the funnel kicks in, but the ones who treat shorts as a traffic engine, not a paycheck, are the ones quietly winning in 2026. So that's the smart play. Shorts are the bait. It's not the meal. Funnel to long form videos, sell with affiliates, pick a rich niche, and use AI to post fast. If you've got the stomach for it, just pick your niche today, make your first short, and point it at something that pays. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's never gonna be, but it requires a lot of work. You can use AI tools, but still, it's a grind. Have that in mind. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.